Today I'm going to take you shopping with me to Whole Foods Market. I'm going to show you all of the great foods to feed life. Feeding life does not have to be expensive, but you do need to know how to choose the right foods. So I'm going to be putting some kale in my cart today. Kale is one of the dozen Feed Life foods. It's one of the most nutrient-dense plants on the planet. And there's 3 different varieties here that you can usually find in most grocery stores. We've got the curly kale, the dino kale, which is great for smoothies, and the red kale. All of them are equally nutrient-dense, and I'm going to take all of them home today because I love kale. If you're going to buy one food today, I would buy broccoli sprouts. It's my favorite Feed Life food. Each sprout grows 1 head of broccoli. There's tons of phytonutrients in it. There's a great phytonutrient in it called isothiocyanate, and it's been proven in 6 or 7 studies to actually help reverse cancer. Research shows that garlic is one of the best cancer fighters. After you mince it, crush it, or slice it, wait 10 minutes and it will release all of the cancer-fighting potential. This is amazing ginger. It's huge today, and it's fresh, and it's mild, and it tastes delicious. It's great to add into soups, stews, teas, smoothies, curries. And the best thing about it is its amazing anti-inflammatory properties. And it also signals cancer cells to die. It's got this great ability to signal apoptosis, which is natural cell death. You've probably seen turmeric looking like this, but this is the way it starts out. This is fresh, it looks like ginger. It's also got the amazing anti-inflammatory properties of ginger, but it has a milder flavor. You can add it to curries, soups, stews, the same as you would ginger, but it's actually even more potent. I like to add it to my teas, and I like to grate a little ginger in it too, and a little cinnamon. The best way to get all of the phytonutrients out of the turmeric is by adding fat and pepper. Together they release the curcumin, which is the most potent cancer fighter found in turmeric. These are cancer-fighting gems. I love shiitake mushrooms. They have amazing immune-enhancing properties. They actually help your natural killer cells go around fighting all the cancer cells in your body. The thing about mushrooms, and especially the white button mushrooms, is you always want to make sure that you cook them. They have natural toxins in them that if they are not cooked will actually affect your health. So you want to make sure that you're cooking them really, really well. The chanterelle mushrooms are found locally in Vancouver around this time of year, fall. And the portobello mushrooms are one of my favorites for cooking up like steaks. Tomatoes, there's so many different varieties of them. I really like the heirloom, but today we don't have any, so the vine-ripened ones will just have to do. They have tons of lycopene in them that's been proven to actually help fight cancer. The thing about tomatoes is you need to blend them or cook them in order to get all of the lycopene released. You also need to combine them with a fat. So like a guacamole with a little bit of salsa, great combination. I'm putting blueberries into my cart today because they have tons of oleic acid in it, another phytonutrient great for starving cancer. The thing about blueberries is you want to make sure that you're always buying them organic because they tend to have a lot of pesticides on them when they're conventional. Also today I'm buying frozen because I like to buy local, and it's just not the season for blueberries. Hemp seeds are a great source of protein, essential fatty acids, and fiber. I like to add them to my smoothies, sprinkle on salads, soups, and I also like to make a seed milk out of them with 2 cups of water and a 1/4 cup of hemp seeds, a date, and some vanilla bean. It's delicious and it's so quick to make. Chia seeds are a fantastic source of fiber. They do an amazing job of removing toxins from your digestive system. I like to add them to my cereals, make a cold cereal out of them, or add them as an egg substitute to baking. So we're back from Whole Foods Market. We picked out our dozen Feed Life foods, and the last one I haven't shown you yet is green tea. I like sencha green tea. It's one of the best for fighting cancer. I also include green tea into my soups and smoothies, and I have lots of recipes on the website for you to check out. Green tea is a great way to end a day.